Now let's solve this problem. Cosecant A divided by cosecant A minus 1 plus cosecant A divided by cosecant A plus 1 is equal to 2 secant square A. In this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. First, let me write down the LHS. Solution. First, let me write down the LHS. We know the LHS is cosecant A divided by cosecant A minus 1 divided by cosecant A minus 1 plus cosecant A divided by cosecant A plus 1 cosecant A plus 1. Okay. Now let's take the LCM. Cosecant A minus 1, cosecant A plus 1 is the LCM. Okay. Cosecant A minus 1 into cosecant A plus 1 is the LCM. Now look at this. Cosecant A minus 1, it is in the denominator. But our LCM is cosecant A minus 1 into cosecant A plus 1. Therefore, we will multiply it by cosecant A plus 1. Then it will become cosecant A into cosecant A plus 1. Cosecant A plus 1 plus, now look at this, cosecant A plus 1, it is in the denominator. But our LCM is cosecant A minus 1 into cosecant A plus 1. Therefore, we will multiply it by cosecant A minus 1. Then it will become cosecant A into cosecant A minus 1. Cosecant A into cosecant A minus 1. Okay, is equal to. Now let's multiply this. Cosecant A into cosecant A. It will become cosecant A into cosecant A plus cosecant A into 1. It will become cosecant A into 1, it will become cosecant A plus cosecant A into cosecant A. Cosecant A into cosecant A. Plus into minus is minus. Okay. Cosecant A into 1. It will become cosecant A. Okay. Whole divided by, observe this carefully, cosecant A minus 1, cosecant A plus 1. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. And we know the formula A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Right? A plus B into A minus B. We can write it as A square minus B square. Here we have cosecant A minus 1 into cosecant A plus 1. Cosecant A plus 1 into cosecant A minus 1. In the place of A we have cosecant A, and in the place of B we have 1. Therefore A square, it will become cosecant square A minus B square. It will become 1 square. We can write it as 1. Okay. So this one I can write it as cosecant square A minus 1. So this cosecant A minus 1 into cosecant A plus 1, I will write it as cosecant square A minus 1. Okay. Cosecant square A minus 1. Now look at this. Cosecant A into cosecant A is cosecant square A. Cosecant square A. Okay. Plus cosecant A plus cosecant A into cosecant A is cosecant square A. Cosecant square A minus cosecant A whole divided by, now this cosecant square A minus 1, how can we write? We know that 1 plus cot square A, 1 plus cot square A, we can write it as cosecant square A. This is the trigonometric identity. Therefore, cot square A, I can write it as cosecant square A. This plus 1, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 1. Okay. Therefore, this cosecant square A minus 1, I can write it as cot square A. I can write it as cot square A. Okay. Now look at this carefully. Plus cosecant A minus cosecant A, it will get cancelled. Okay. Then what is left? 1 cosecant square A plus 1 cosecant square A. Means nothing is here, means we will consider it as 1. 1 cosecant square A plus 1 cosecant square A. It will become 2 cosecant square A. 1 plus 1 is 2 cosecant square A divided by cot square A. Okay. Now let me continue that side. First let me rub that formula. Okay. I am going to rub this. Now this 2 cosecant square A divided by cot square A. Now here 2, let me write as it is. Cosecant square A, I can write it as 1 by sin square A, because we know that cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Here we have cosecant square A, therefore I can write it as 1 by sin square A into 1 by sin square A whole divided by cot square A, I can write it as cos square A divided by sin square A, because cot A is cos A by sin A. Okay, this cot square A, I will write it as cos square A divided by sin square A. Okay, what it will become? That is 2 divided by sin square A whole divided by cos square A divided by sin square A. Now here, this is whole divided by. Means what? It is numerator, it is denominator. It is numerator, it is denominator. Now look at these denominators. Both are same. Therefore, we can cancel this, right? Then what is left? 2 divided by cos square A. 2 divided by cos square A. And we know that 2 into 2 divided by cos square A, I can write it as 1 by 2 into 1 by cos square A. Okay? And we know that 1 by cos square A is secant square A, because 1 by cos A is secant A. That is 2 into secant A. Sorry, secant square A. Cos square A. Therefore, I can write it as secant square A. That is what our RHS. Okay. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.